चलें जी। और आते पहले तो ठीक चल रहा है सर। हमारे यहाँ गली है वो सरकारी पक्ष में हमने दरवाजा लगाया पता वो साहब देर वॉज टू लिटिल कंप्लेंट्स, बहुत ही थोड़ी थी, 3-4 लेके जा रहे हैं देखेंगे कि क्या दिक्कत क्या करते हैं 2000 के करीब उनका तारीख से फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट पेशेंट सर्जरी करने के लिए और जो इनके ऑनर हैं वो माशाल्लाह बहुत अच्छे निकाले और इस इलाके में बहुत और इनकी और भी बहुत से मेडिकल कैंप वगैरह बाबा बशीर, हाँ ये ओनर है हॉस्पिटल के। बिन कुतब बेगम नूर मेमोरियल हॉस्पिटल है जी, और बड़ा जदीद यहाँ पे अभी DPO is arriving here. He was here for the purpose of an open kachari which ended so soon, and taking advantage of the available time he has preferred to visit this hospital. Indeed, it is something very good for the hospital as well. And see what is going to, if Baba Bashir is available here or not. See what happens. But DPO on foot he is here and going to see the hospital. But it is a snap visit of DPO Sahab who has arrived here, and see like mashallah so good to be here. Don't know whether Baba Bashir Sahib is here or not, but indeed it is something great, and it is a state-of-the-art hospital. And DPO Sahab, as I earlier told, he was simply here to hold an open kachari, but fortunately he had a bit of spare time since the kachari ended too soon. So for that reason he opted to visit this nearby hospital, and it is really something that the hospital administration will be proud of. But though he is not here, Baba Bashir, who is the look at all, and so good really for the hospital administration. And he's not here. Baba Bashir Sahib is not here, and DP Sahab is visiting Muhammad Bashir Malik Chairman, and see what all the departments of the hospital. So good, really, so good, really, and indeed, it is something. It is a dialysis unit, and see such a great, nice hospital with the state-of-art machinery and the best ever hospital in the whole of the district. Rather, hardly any hospital of this standard will be here at the hospital. See what is going on. This is the dialysis center of the Begum Noor Memorial Hospital. See, maybe here. ऐसे ये पकड़े छोटा ये वाला मुझे लगा रहे हैं यहाँ से बड़ा थैंक यू वेरी मच थैंक यू वेरी मच what is going on that he will be returning soon and see what he does and see because it is something great for the hospital. Really so nice that there was no name in this business, but somehow it is done here. And the administration, they are also happy that DPO Sahab is coming on that. That's a nice hospital. And what he does, he will be